Linux distros are just amazing. There is a specification for almost anyone. And for me, one of the most liked one is Kali. So maybe that's the topic for us today.
Every legend has an origin story, and Kali's begins in the halls of Offensive Security, a company that just doesn't teach cybersecurity, they forge digital warriors. It's 2013 and the cybersecurity world is fragmented. Penetration testers are using dozens of different tools scattered across various platforms, wasting precious time just setting up their arsenal. Then, like a phoenix rising from the ashes of backtrack Linux, Kali was born. Named after the Hindu goddess of time and change, this wasn't just another Linux distribution. This was a weapon forged specifically for one purpose: to give ethical hackers the ultimate toolkit to protect the digital world. But here's where this gets interesting. Kali isn't just some random collection of hacking tools thrown together. It's built on Debian, one of the most stable Linux foundations, and every single tool is curated and maintained carefully by a team of experts. So, what makes Kali different from Ubuntu, Windows, or Linux? Kali comes preloaded with over 600 penetration testing tools. These aren't just random programs, they are the digital equivalent of a master craftsman's tool. But here's the beautiful part: it's not just about the tools. Kali is designed with security in mind from the ground up. It runs as a non root user by default, implements proper privilege escalation, and even includes features like disk encryption and secure boot. It's like having a fortress that's also a weapons factory. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, Kali has a reputation. Hollywood movies show hooded figures typing furiously on Kali desktops while infiltrating government systems. But here's the truth: Kali is a tool for the good guys. Every tool in Kali has a legitimate ethical purpose. Nmap helps you discover what's running on your network. Wireshark helps you troubleshoot network issues. Metasploit helps you test your defense before the bad guys do. It's like having the fire department that uses the same tools as the arsonists, not to burn things down, but to understand fire so they can fight it better. The cybersecurity industry is facing a massive shortage. Over 3 billion unfulfilled jobs worldwide. We need digital defenders, ethical hackers, and security professionals. Kali isn't just an OS, it's a training ground for the next generation of cyber guardians. So, who is Kali really for? Let me break this down into categories. First, cybersecurity professionals. Penetration testers, security researchers, incident responders. These are the people who live and breathe digital security. Kali is their daily driver, their trusted companion in the fight against cybercrime. Second, IT professionals who want to understand security better. Network administrators, system administrators, developers. Anyone who wants to think like an attacker to better defend their systems. Third, students and enthusiasts. Kali is an incredible learning platform. But let's be clear, Kali is not for everyone. It's not a replacement for Windows or Mac OS for your daily needs. You won't be editing videos or writing documents or playing games on Kali. It's a specialized tool for a specialized purpose. Now, if you're ready to begin your journey, here's how you can start responsibly. First, education is key. Don't just download Kali and start running tools. Understand what you are doing. Take courses, read documentation, practice in isolated environments. Offensive Security offers amazing training programs, and there are countless ethical hacking courses available. Second, set up a proper lab environment. Use virtual machines, isolated networks, and only test on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Never ever use these tools on systems you don't own. That's just not unethical, it's illegal. Third, start with the basics. Learn Linux fundamentals, understand networking concepts, grasp the basics of cybersecurity. Kali is powerful, but power without knowledge is dangerous. Future of Kali is really bright. The team at Offensive Security continuously updates and improves the distribution. They are adding new tools, improving existing ones, and adapting to the changing landscape of cybersecurity threats. We are seeing exciting developments like Kali Net Hunter, Kali for ARM processors, and even Kali running on Windows subsystems for Linux. The dragon is evolving, adapting to the new battlefields. But more importantly, Kali represents something bigger, the democratization of cybersecurity knowledge. These tools used to be available only to elite specialists. Now, anyone with dedication and ethical intentions can learn to defend the digital world. So, there you have it. Kali Linux isn't just an operating system, it's a gateway to understanding the hidden world of cybersecurity.